In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wayfair cash registry. To get started, open Wayfair cash registry on your device. Make sure the page has fully loaded so you can clearly see the available options before moving on. This helps avoid clicking the wrong section and keeps the setup process smooth from the beginning. Once you're on the main registry page, click Create Registry. This will take you into the setup area where you can begin entering the information needed for your registry. If the button takes a moment to respond, just give it a second so the next page can load properly. Next, enter your registry details. Fill in the required information carefully and check that everything is accurate before continuing. Depending on the form, this may include basic event-related details and preferences connected to your registry. Taking a few extra seconds here can save time later if you need to share or manage the registry. After you've entered everything, save your registry. This final step confirms your setup and makes sure your information is stored correctly. Once saved, your registry should be ready for you to review, update, or share as needed. That's it. Your Wayfair Cash Registry has now been created successfully.